Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove the auto adjustment in CapCut Mobile. So I noticed that some of you didn't know how you can undo or remove the auto adjustment because when you use that feature but you are not on the CapCut Pro, you cannot export the video edits that you just done. So here I'm going to show you how you can remove that. First, let's add the auto adjust. You can see the auto adjust is for the pro user, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so when I click on export, you can see that CapCut will ask me to join the CapCut Pro first. So what you need to do to remove or undo the auto adjust is you can simply click on the adjustment here, and here there will be an option to delete. When you do that, the Pro button at the top will disappear, or you can also click on the adjust first, and here you can do reset. Click on reset, click on OK, and you'll be done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.